Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage. Today, short little video on resetting the oil service light that'll come on your Mk3 Focus. So this is our 2015 Focus SE hatch manual car, and this procedure for the reset should apply to anything from 2012 through 17 in North America, I believe. I think 17 was the last year they manufactured it this side of the pond. So anyway, we'll get in there and we'll start the reset. Okay, so let's see if we can. Okay, there we have it. Oil change required. So that's the notification or warning we want to get rid of. Now, did the oil change a few weeks ago. Didn't think to do the reset at the time. I should have done. But in fact, I've done 2 oil changes since the last time that was reset. So it would appear it just works on so many months and it's done. I don't think it's anything exotic like an analysis of the oil with sensors in the oil pan. So alright, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take the key in the ignition. We're going to put it to the second position. There's the first. There's the second. So second position, everything lights up. It's ready, one stop away from starting. Don't have to start the car. We do that. We then push the accelerator pedal completely down to the floor. Hold it there with our right foot. And then with our left foot, we're going to put the brake on. We're going to hold the brake. And there we are. So the service, the oil reset is in progress. So we're just going to keep it held on. Exciting, riveting stuff actually. Watching a digital display there. Reset complete. Okay, so that should be done now. So foot off the brake, foot off the gas. We'll shut it off. We'll put it back on and make sure we don't get that warning come up again. Lovely. Nothing. Job done. Nice and simple. No tools required. Okay, so nice simple little job there taken care of. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you liked it, hit like, hit subscribe, that'd be great. There's also the video online of doing the oil change and a few other things on this Focus, plus a lot of others on a BMW project car I'm working on. So anyway, you all have a great day. I'll see you back in the garage.